Hello, this is Carrie Ann. Welcome to Sloths Love to Read, free books for kids. Today we're going to read a wonderful story about a silly and wildly entertaining cat named Mr. Peanuts. Let's listen and find out what happens in Hungry for Pancakes, The Adventures of Mr. Peanuts. This book was written by Carrie Ann Jelinek and is published with Sloth Dreams Publishing. I hope you enjoy the book. Hungry for Pancakes. One day, Mr. Peanuts woke up very hungry. He had been dreaming about pancakes all morning. Mr. Peanuts decided that he must have pancakes for breakfast, so he looked in the refrigerator. He didn't see any pancakes there. Then he looked in the freezer, but he didn't see any in there either. He decided he would make pancakes himself. But how do I make pancakes, he said to himself. Mr. Peanuts went to his pantry to grab a box of pancake mix. He read the directions very carefully. First, beat 1 egg into the pancake mix and add 1 cup of milk. So he grabbed an egg out of the fridge. But how do you beat an egg, he thought. He thought and he thought and he thought. He said out loud. Then he knew just what to do. That's it, he exclaimed. I need my hammer. So he ran to get it as quick as a flash. And he grabbed his hammer and he smashed that egg as hard as he could. To his great surprise, it splattered all over his regal gray coat. Oh, yuck, he exclaimed. My poor fur. Oh, dear. How will I ever get this goo off of me? He decided he would do what any cat would do, and he would lick himself clean. So he started to lick it off. Well, at least it tastes pretty good, he said. But then something awful happened. His tongue got stuck to his fur. Oh, no! Now what am I going to do? He cried. He had to think fast. He had an idea. He would use the milk to wash off the egg. I'm a genius, exclaimed Mr. Peanuts. But while getting the milk, he accidentally tripped on the hammer, and the milk splattered all over him and the kitchen floor. What a sticky mess! Super yucko, Mr. P said. He thought for a moment, since his fur was already coated in milk and egg, he might as well simply roll himself into the pancake batter. But suddenly his fur touched the pancake mix. And he felt like pancake glue. He was stuck. He couldn't move. He was stuck to the floor. Oh, Mr. P. That was it. Mr. Peanuts was not hungry for pancakes anymore. Now the only thing he could think about was taking a bath. He dreamed of bath time with his favorite rubber ducky. But how he hated the water. Poor Mr. Peanuts. This has been Hungry for Pancakes, The Adventures of Mr. Peanuts. This book is read to you in collaboration with Sloth Dreams Publishing. It's available on Amazon, Kindle, and on Kindle Unlimited. Hope to see you back next time. Bye for now.